Are you looking to move to paradise with some of the best surf in the country? Today we're going to be diving into the 5 best neighborhoods with really good surf here in San Diego County. Hey everybody, Greg.Kuchan, your San Diego real estate agent and surf addict. Now I'm going to take you through the 5 best areas that have surf here in San Diego, but don't worry, I'm not going to blow up any spots. If you want to go out with me, I'll take you to all my private spots. First place is Pacific Beach. Now there's plenty of different beginner breaks to reef breaks and all in between, and it is the #1 spot where people move to when they first move to San Diego, so a lot of people have fond memories of Pacific Beach. And it is a great community with Tourmaline Surf Park, established in the late 60s. It is a well-known longboarding place, an amazing place to begin. The second town with really good surf is going to be Point Loma. Now I don't want to give too much away, but there are hundreds of different surf breaks, usually pretty uncrowded, and can pick up amazing swell from all directions. Third town for surf in San Diego is going to be Encinitas. From Swami's to Seaside, you have professional surfers galore who come from this town, and it is filled with amazing reef breaks. Oceanside, #4 on the list. I call it out because it has surf all year round, and it is the one area in the doldrums of summer where the rest of San Diego and South San Diego is completely being missed by the south swells. Oceanside is lighting up. Check out the harbor and the pier as good places to start. Last on this list, but definitely not least, is La Jolla. You have the world famous Black's Beach and so many incredible spots that just absolutely fire. If you want to learn more about surfing in San Diego, give me a call so I can give you all the details, and let's paddle out. And there you have it, my top 5 picks of surf towns here in San Diego. Now if you want more information, contact me below. I'll take you out surfing. We'll show you all my little secret spots. Thanks for joining me on this journey. For more information, like and subscribe, and comment below what you'd like me to cover in the next video.